for a while. There comes a time when Meghanad and Ravana, all the ignorant set, become exceedingly joyous. And it is this episode that opens the door into insights into divine physician. A yogic view of health. Health is the basis of all forms of human self-effort. The scriptures declare dharmartha kama mokshanam arogya moolam uttamam, which means arogya or health is the basis of dharma, ethical value in life, artha, material achievement in life, kama, satisfaction of desires or vital value of life, and moksha, spiritual release, the infinite value of life. Without health, no effort can be possible. Further, in Sanskrit, the term for health is swasthya, which literally means quality of being established in the self. Sthiti in swa. This gives you a broad insight into health. True health implies being established in the reality, the truth absolute, the self within yourself. True health is therefore the state of self-realization. In a restricted sense, however, health is normally defined by the expression sound mind in a sound body. The general concept is that a person should have a healthy physical body and a clear, strong mind as a requirement for promoting any form of self-effort in life. In the perspective of yoga, this is true also. However, it is to be understood that it is not the body that fashions the mind. It is the mind that fashions the body. In order to understand how health is promoted, how diseases are warded off, you must understand the general analysis of health according to yoga. The balance I'll share next day. Om. 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 Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om. Prayer for shower of Karuna, Mayras, grace of God over all of you with the blessings of Shakti, Bhakti and Mukti. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukuma Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyama Mritat. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om.